Foresight IT Solutions takes a holistic approach to the delivery of IT support, taking time to understand the individual elements of a business's IT infrastructure and systems, how they integrate with one another, along with understanding the roles of third parties also involved in the overall picture. Foresight IT Solutions was first established in 2006 with the objective of supplying best-in-class IT solutions and support for small to medium businesses. Operating from offices in Cheshire and with a growing customer base around the North West, North Wales and beyond, we are perfectly positioned to service the local business community. We deal with customers from varied sectors and strive to develop long-term, mutual beneficial partnerships with the businesses we support. Key to our success so far is our proactive approach to helping businesses derive the maximum possible benefits from the IT systems they use. Foresight holds the coveted Microsoft Small Business Specialist accreditation, demonstrating our knowledge and expertise related to Microsoft products and technologies that apply to the SME space. In addition to this, we are one of currently a very small number of Microsoft online service partners in the local area. Our technical team includes consultants qualified as Microsoft Certified System Engineers, and there is an ongoing program of training and development throughout our organisation to ensure we remain up to date with the latest developments in the fast-moving world of technology. Backing up your data should be an integral part of the day-to-day computing activities. Both businesses and home users alike can take advantage of a powerful 500 GB online backup account. The process works seamlessly in the background, ensuring all your data is safely backed up should the worst happen. It's simple. Once it's installed, there's nothing to manage and, more importantly, nothing to worry about. In the event that you lose some data for any reason, just contact our help desk and we will be able to recover your data quickly and easily.
What is cloud computing? Imagine you've got some files on your computer, whether it's at work or at home. Now imagine these files are very important. They might be work files, a picture of your favourite pet, or maybe your favourite music collection. The problem is with these files is that you only have one copy. So what happens if your computer gets lost, broken, or stolen? Well, with cloud computing, those worries are a thing of the past. By using Foresight IT Solutions' cloud computing facility, you are now able to save all of your most important data online. Not only will this keep your data safe, but it also gives you the ability to access your data from anywhere, whether it's at home, at the office, or on the other side of the world. So how does it work? Is your data really up in the clouds? Well, not really. Your data is actually stored in a secure server farm, which are popping up all over the world. In these server farms are rows and rows of powerful computers, much more powerful than your computer at home. It's hard to know exactly where your data is once it's in the cloud, but that's because your data is likely to be in more than one of these server farms, all at the same time. Once your data is in the cloud, it is possible to gain access to your data via Foresight IT Solutions web application, available on computers, smartphones and tablets. Remember, your data is not just available from one place anymore, but from all over the place.
Our services are structured to provide solutions which meet our customers' precise requirements. We will work with you to achieve your vision by providing quality services on a proactive, flexible basis so you can be sure your systems and, most importantly, your data are always available whenever you need them. Each and every customer with a support agreement in place has a dedicated account manager available at all times. Key to the smooth running of your business is the health of the foundations that your systems run on. Foresight are positioned to support our customers through choosing the right combination of hardware and software to allow your business to run efficiently, reliably and most of all profitably. Resilience is an important factor in choosing the right combination of hardware and software and with this in mind we work with core hardware from Dell and HP alongside with software from Microsoft. Security and integrity of the business data is paramount in all of our systems we design, implement and support, so as to ensure our customers have access to critical information at all times. Remote off-site backup solutions form a significant part of our business continuity services. What LogMeIn does is allow you to access any computer you install the software on. So you install the software, it takes maybe about 30 seconds on any computer you want to access. When the software is fully installed on the machine, the technician can take full control of the user's machine and start to diagnose any technical difficulties that the client may be experiencing, whether it's a printer not working or a server falling over. Here's an example of how a user may be experiencing technical difficulties with printing. The user who has experienced difficulties will pick up the telephone and call one of the Foresight IT technicians. The technician will generate a 6-digit code which will allow the users to surrender their PC to the technician. The technician will direct the client to the website logmein123.com. It's here that the client will then enter their 6-digit code and click download. The client will then have to follow a few simple instructions on the screen which will give the technician remote access to their PC. In a couple of minutes the technician will be able to log onto the user's machine and begin to diagnose the user's problem. The technician is able to communicate with the client via the chat feature. It is here that we are able to keep the user up to date with what's going on and also for the user to ask the technician for any more support. Once the technician has solved the problem, they can then demonstrate to the client how the problem has been resolved. In this instance, the technician has printed a test page using the client's printer. When the technician has finished diagnosing the problem for the client, they will always ask the client if there's anything else that they can do. It's this customer service that Foresight continually practice to ensure that all clients are happy. Foresight IT has the goal of being the #1 IT support business in Chester. It's not only about developing the clients that we work with, but it's also about developing the people who work for Foresight IT. The world of technology changes on a daily basis, and that means that the people who work for Foresight have to be on the pulse all the time and continually learning about new technologies. Technology can give you a headache, but when you feel like quitting, you have to remember why you started.